Magic Eraser is a tool built into your Pixel phone that allows you to remove objects from your photo, and it works surprisingly well. Google actually just updated this feature and removed the ability to use Magic Eraser by just circling or scribbling on a photo in the main editor. So the feature is still there, but you'll need to manually activate it now. Choose any photo in the Google Photos app, and then from the bottom of your display, tap Edit. Once you're in the Edit menu, you're going to tap Tools on the bottom right corner, and then you'll see the Magic Eraser option. It'll sort of scan and analyze your photo, and now you can circle or highlight the object you want to remove. Whether that's trash in the background, an ugly utility pole, or anything else that's standing out, you'll just highlight it, and the app does the rest. I've been pretty impressed how good the results look. Even something like this photo here, where the lighting is kind of challenging, there's some vignette going on around the edges, and overall a lot of fine detail. And it still managed to erase the object and give me an edited version that looks pretty natural. You can either reset the photo on the bottom of your screen, or tap the check mark if you want to keep the edited photo. The app won't overwrite your original photo, and it'll let you save this as a copy instead. Because this feature sort of falls under the AI image generation category, my phone is telling me that there's an easy way to check if a photo has been altered. Swipe up, and there's going to be a label saying AI tools were used to alter the photo. Not necessarily super relevant to the Magic Eraser, but good to know that the AI edited label will be there for these photos as well. And that's Magic Eraser on Pixel phones. Nifty little feature, and sometimes comes in handy when you want to clean up your photos. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.